Hello, boys and girls. This is Teacher Grace, and welcome back to our English class. Today is Friday, the 9th. Can you see the 9th? The 9th of July, 2021. What's the date today? Today is Friday. All right. I hope you are enjoying your English class. Let's get started. Okay, take out your student's book now. Open it on page 10. We are now in Theme 1, Phonics, Lesson 3. I know this lesson will be very exciting for you because since you are in kindergarten, you keep on singing this song, right? The alphabet song. Who knows the alphabet song? Raise your hands. Great! So we are going to sing together. Are you ready? Yes, we are.
The alphabet song. Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C. A, B, C. D, E, F. D, E, F. G, H, I. G, H, I. J, K, L. J, K, L. M, N, O. M, N, O. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. S, T. S, T. U, V. U, V. W. W. X, Y, Z. Yeah, yeah. X, Y, Z. That's fun. Let's sing it again. Ready, set, go. A, B, C. A, B, C. D, E, F. D, E, F. G, H, I. G, H, I. J, K, L. J, K, L. M, N, O. M, N, O. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. S, T. S, T. U, V. U, V. W. W. X, Y, Z. Yeah, yeah. X, Y, Z. The alphabet song. The alphabet song. I love the alphabet song.
Very good. Okay. So this time, we are going to learn the sound of the letters. Are you excited? I am excited. I hope you are excited too. Go back to page 10. Let's move on to number 1.
Theme 1. Hello. Lesson 3. Letter A. 1. Listen and repeat.
A,
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 A.
A. Okay, can you do it? Even Teacher Grace cannot see you, cannot hear you. Can you do it? Follow after me. A, A. Well done. Okay, next, number 2. Listen carefully.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
A, A. Alligator.
Okay, once again, let's do it. A, alligator. That's right. Let's go to number 3. Listen and sing along with the song. I made it bigger for you to see carefully.
3.
All right.
Listen. Sing along.
I can see an alligator. Alligator. I can see an alligator. I can see an alligator. Alligator. I can see an alligator.
Did you follow? Wow, good job. When you hear the sound ah, you're going to clap like this. But if you don't hear the sound ah, do not clap. Nothing. Okay? Ready?
4. Listen and play.
Clap when you hear the ah sound.
1.
A, k, a, b, d, a,
2.
a, k, d, a, b, a, b, a, k,
3.
a, b, a, k, b, a, d, a.
It's fun, right? Did you clap when you heard the sound ah? Then, good job. Let's go to letter B. Listen carefully.
Letter B. 1. Listen and repeat.
Look at the picture.
B,
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 B. That's right. Next.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
b,
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 ball.
ball. That's right. Next. We're going to sing a song again.
3. Listen. Sing along.
This is my ball. Ball. This is my ball.
B, B, B.
This is my ball.
B, B, ball.
This is my ball.
B, B, B. Very good. What's the sound of B? B. What's the sound of A? Ah. All right. When you hear the sound B, you're going to jump. Jump. Like this. Okay? Let's do it. Listen carefully.
4. Listen and play.
Jump when you hear the b sound.
1.
B, b, a, b, d, b,
2.
a, b, k, b, d, b, a, k, b, k, b,
3.
b, a, b, b, d, b, b, a, b, d, b.
So how many jumps did you do? It's fun, right? All right, clap your hands again. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Page 11. Letter C. Listen again.
Letter C. 1. Listen and repeat.
Number 2.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
car,
Car. That's right. Now we are going to sing another song again. We have so many songs in this lesson. It's so exciting, right? It's so fun. Okay, let's go to number 3.
3. Listen. Sing along.
I have a car. Car. I have a car. I have a car. Car. I have a car.
Good job! When you hear the sound, you hop. Hop like a kangaroo, like this. Hop. Okay? Let's do it.
4. Listen and play.
hop when you hear the k sound.
1.
A, b, k,
2.
b, k, b, d, k, a, k, k, b, k,
3.
a, k, k, d, b, k, k, d.
Okay. Are you tired now? I know you don't get tired. You're full of energy, like Teacher Grace. Let's go back to page 11. Let's review. A. Look at the pictures. Tick the correct boxes. 1. A. Alligator. A. Alligator. Is it A or B? Number 2. B. Ball. B. Ball. Is it C or B? Number 3. Car. Car. Is it B or C? Okay, when you're finished, let's go to letter B. Circle the picture that begins with the B sound. B. Remember, B. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Come on, do it. I know you can do it. Remember the sound B. Okay. Let's move on to letter C. Follow the letters and say the sounds. Okay, let's start with the car and we will end up to the ball. Let's start. B, B, B. B, B, ah, 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 B, 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 B. There you are! Can you do it yourself? You point to the letters and sound it until you reach the ball from the car. Okay? Do it yourself. Take your time. It's workbook time. Take out your workbook. Open your workbook on pages 6 and 7. Okay, let's start with letter A. Trace the letters. Okay, trace the big letters and the small letters. Okay, take your time. And when you are finished with letter A, let's go to letter B. Circle the beginning sounds. Example number 1. This is car. Car. So the correct answer is C. Car. Number 2. Number 2. What is the beginning sound of alligator? Ah, ah, ah. B, A, C. Circle your answer. And number 3, ball. Ball. B, b, b. Ball. C, A, or B? Circle your answer. Let's go to page 7. Letter C. Trace the letters and draw lines. Number 1 is already given to you like this. 1. A. Trace and then connect the letter to the picture. Boom. And then to the small letter. Pop, 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 pop. And then trace again. Okay, you know what to do. Just follow what Teacher Grace did. Next, letter D. Color the correct beginning sounds. Oh, take out your colored pencils. Example number 1. Ah, alligator. So color letter A. Number 2. Car. What letter is the beginning sound of car? B, A, C. Color. Number 3. Ball. Ball. B. What's the beginning sound? Color it. For today's lesson, we studied 3 letters in our phonics. Let's have a game again. I will write the letters here and then you tell me what letter it is. And say the sound. Are you ready? Let's start. Letter A. What's the sound of A? Ah, good job. Okay, let's go to the next letter. Letter B. That's right. What's the sound of B? B. That's right. Okay, next. What letter is it? Letter C. Okay, what's the sound of C? Good job! Clap your hands! And we're done. I hope you enjoy our lesson for today and see you again to our next lesson. Enjoy learning. You know, English is fun. Bye-bye!